buying the right things so that you live healthier and you stop that inflammation in your body and actually lose weight. So today I'm going to talk about natural flavoring and artificial flavoring. Artificial is exactly what it says, man-made. Natural, the FDA lets them start with a little bit of natural flavoring, then they can use up to 1,000 different chemicals to make that natural flavoring. So it's really artificial flavoring that they tell you that it's natural. What a joke. Almost all of this product that down through this aisle has natural and artificial flavorings to it. The one that really kills me is keto friendly, right? And yeah, we want to be keto friendly, but then they put artificial flavorings in it and natural flavorings. What a joke. If you're eating keto, do you want to put artificial flavorings and natural flavorings that are really truly man-made in your body? I don't. It's the only thing that I found that doesn't have natural and artificial flavorings in it. Out of all of this cake mixes and all of this product, this is the only one.